Okay, so I just got done editing the last video. It's saving right now. Awesome, it just all broke. So I have to pull the SD card back out, and hopefully that'll fix it. Okay, I'm back. It's uploading. I fixed it. Let's go work on the car. Okay, so the GoPro died, and then I tried to film a bit on my phone, and then it ran out of storage. So I charged the GoPro. It's a lot later. I'm done. Hopefully you enjoyed my little how to basic type video. Scube's ready, basically. I wanted to do more than just the oil change, but I agree with Duncan. The more I touch, the more that's likely to go wrong when I drive to Vegas. So once I'm there, you'll see I'm probably going to get some other stuff done for maintenance by my buddy David, who is the one that originally fixed the car. So he's going to be doing a trans and rear diff flush and probably some other stuff. But I think that's it for this episode. I don't know what more I'm going to put in. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.